Fifth one, write a Python program to create set difference and symmetric difference. Okay, we have to write set difference and symmetric difference. Difference is nothing but is elements present on one set but not on the other. Okay, difference returns elements present on one set but not the other set. Okay, only first elements presents only if it returns. Okay, we have to the difference symbol denoted by minus here, and as symmetric only symmetric difference denoted by this symbol. Okay, observe here. Difference is elements present on one set but not the other. In symmetric difference, elements from both the sets that are not present on the other. Okay, it returns elements from both the sets but not the same elements. Symmetric difference is quite opposite of intersection. Okay, intersection return common elements between two sets, whereas symmetric difference elements from the both sets that are not present on the other. Okay, so not common elements won't be written. Well, except common elements, all other elements can be written in the symmetric difference. Whereas in difference, only the elements present on one set but not the other. Okay, so we'll see with an example this one. And symbols, remember here difference and symmetric difference. Simple. So I added this one, did this one. See, observe. S1 you have taken this 1, 1, 2, 3. S2 is equal 1, 5, 6 here. Okay. Suppose S2 minus S1 here. S2 minus S1 means it returns only S2 elements. Okay, but not in S1. It returns only S2 elements, not in S1. If you and observe the output now. See, it returns only S2 elements, but not the S1 here. Okay. Whereas if you write is a symmetric difference S1 and S2. S1 symmetric difference and S2. So it returns all the elements except common elements. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Common elements will be eliminated here. Only the except common elements, all other elements will be written here in the symmetric difference. Symmetric difference quite opposite of intersection. Okay, suppose if you want S1 elements but not in S2, just you have to write here S1 minus S1 minus S2. S1 minus S2 means difference here. Okay, minus denoted by difference here. Okay, observe now output. 2, 3. Okay, elements present in S1 but not in S2. It returns. Okay, so that's it.